Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today's video, I did not think I would be making. I just never thought I would ever get rid of my tail lights, like ever. Obviously, I love my lights so much. So sad to see them go because I just feel like they're just my car. When I think of my own car, I think of the pink and the hearts. I never thought I would find other tail lights that I would think, oh, these are also so me. But these ones are so me. I can't. It's been what, like 4 years now, I think? 3 years since I got my heart tail lights. Just noticed I'm matching with my car. I love to see it. I love to see it. Obviously, Alonzo works and made my tail lights. He always asked me if I wanted to do new tail lights. Just let him know. He could literally make almost anything. I'm not interested in getting new tail lights at all for the longest time. And literally, when he showed me these, I was like, yes. It's so hard to part ways with the hearts. I don't know why. You get attached to things like this, literally, to tail lights, to lights. Get attached to lights, I don't know, but I did. I think today is finally the day that I get rid of my heart tail lights. I did say I'm gonna feel them out, see how, I feel about them. And I have not seen an FRS with these lights on yet. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm being all mysterious, I know. If you love this character, you would die for these, because that's literally how I felt. But if you don't, you might be like, oh my gosh, of course that's what she got. We did put a little rush on them because I'm going to Spokane tomorrow. I'll be at the Anaheim Convention Center. I'm filming this on Friday, the day before the show, and I'm gonna upload it the next day. So if you're seeing this, I'll be at the show, and if you haven't bought your tickets, come on down. Super last minute. I think you can buy tickets at the door. I don't know if I could show this actually, so if I can't, or I'm gonna expose Lonzo. Holy cow. I don't think I've shown this on the vlog. 1JZ BRZ. Now that's gonna be nuts. Oh my god. That's my tires. That's the life with these 3-piece wheels. It's not the best sounding. How hot it is out here? It's this hot. Now we're taking off the hearts. We had to put this new adapter. So you gotta disconnect these connectors and take off these 4 bolts, and they are 8mm. So let's just take that off so we could put the new ones. These are the new ones. I'm gonna surprise y'all. Don't drop them, or they will go into an abyss. Goodbye, old life. Don't move, buddy. All I see is the box of weed. Are you guys ready for this? My jaw was literally on the floor when I saw this. I'm not even joking. I'm not even joking. Alonzo's jaw was on the floor. I'm just like admiring it. I was taking so many photos. I literally couldn't wrap my head around it. And I know it might sound dramatic, but it's not that dramatic. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Here they are. The new lights. My new Hello Kitty lights. Are you freaking kidding me? So we did just mess around with the settings. There is so much that goes into the app that connects to these lights. I don't even get it that much, but obviously Lonzo works. Okay, first of all, he popped off on these. Can we even take a moment of silence that he literally popped off on these lights? You are a Hello Kitty fan or want to make custom lights, you already know where to come. Get your stuff done, customized to just have the bows on and leave the white Hello Kitty face, because this is my favorite mode. Even on my last one, it was the hot pink dazzle mode, and it looks so good. Different show modes that you could do with these lights. Play around with it more tomorrow at the show. I'll show you guys in that vlog, because I am going to be vlogging at the show, so watch out for that video as well. It's going to be the video right after this one, so in case I miss anything, hopefully I get more in depth in the next video. So of course, if you guys are looking for lights, you already know where to go. Let me know what you guys think about them. I know they're more on the girly side, but they're so good. They're so good, and you cannot not appreciate art. And this is art. This is literally a work of art right here. Let me know what you guys think about them, and make sure to check out my next video more about the lights and at Spocom. So I'm gonna end it here. I really hope you guys enjoyed and love them as much as I do. But as always, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.